I never take anything for granted. Only a fool maybe takes things for granted. Just because it is a hint today, it can become tomorrow. And that's one thing that never in your life ever have to worry about me. If I'll ever change towards you because maybe I love you, girl, I love you, just the way you are.
Don't go changing, try to please me. You never let me down before. I don't imagine you're too familiar, and I don't see you anymore. I would not leave you in time of struggle. We never could have come this far. Oh Lord, I took the good times, I take the bad times, I take it just the way you are. Young girl trying some new fashion, don't change the color of your hair. Hey babe, you always have my outspoken passion. I do what my mind sees to me. I don't want clever conversation. I don't know what to walk that hard. Oh Lord, I just want someone to talk to. I want you just the way you are. I need to know that you will always be the same old someone that I knew. What will it take till you believe in me the way that I believe in you? Yeah, I said I love you, that's what I love, and this I promise from her. Oh Lord, love you any better, yeah. I love you just the way you are. I don't want clever conversation. I don't want to walk that hard. No, Lord, I just want someone to talk to. I want it just the way